Hi guys, welcome to Tech Y2K. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Microsoft Office for free. Before starting this tutorial, I would like to say these apps are only run through your web browser, and you can't use them if you aren't online. There are also fewer features than the full Microsoft 365 versions. First, go to this URL, and click on the Sign In. Log into your Microsoft account or create one for free. If you already have a Windows, Skype or Xbox login, you have an active Microsoft account and you can use it. Create an account using your email address like this. With this free Office online apps, you have 5 GB OneDrive cloud storage. If you want to use Microsoft Word, click on the Word icon. Create new document. You can use basic features like this. Save your work in the cloud, with OneDrive like this. Provide name for the document. If you wish to download the file to your PC, you can download it very easily. Click on the Download a copy. Provide a download location. You can use Excel like this. With this free Office 365 account, you can use PowerPoint. You can access your saved files on OneDrive like this. I would like to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.